ABC Galaxy. Subscribe now.
Ice cream. Ice cream. The sound of I means the letter I. Ice cream. Can you say it out loud? Good job!
I'm Giggs.
I'm Hugg.
I like to laugh.
I like to hug.
I'm Captain.
I'm Crew. I do just what she tells me to. We're Hugg.
I'm Giggs. We bring the alphabet to kids.
Alpha what to kids?
Whenever a new planet appears on screen, it makes us so happy. We are so keen. Our spaceship takes us there in space. We learn a new letter and go back to base.
I'm Hugg.
I'm Giggs.
Let's get to know our ABCs.
A
To Z.
We'll look for letters.
You and me.
ABC Galaxy.
Ooh. Space. Awesome. Hey, what's that? Captain Giggs, look.
Planet approaching. Planet approaching.
What? Where? What did you see, First Mate Hugg? Activate ship monitor, Alphabeti.
Activating monitor.
What planet is that, Captain Giggs?
I'm not sure, First Mate Hugg. Let's take a closer look. Crew, prepare for landing.
Oops. Oh, Roger, Captain Giggs. Whoa. What? Ooh. Ooh, what's that? An iguana! Hi there! Can I call you Miss Iggy?
I think Miss Iggy wants us to go after her, First Mate Hugg. Let's follow her.
Ooh. An igloo! What's inside, Miss Iggy?
An iguana, an igloo. What planet could this be? Ice cream! I know! An igloo, an iguana, ice cream! Yeah, that's all right!
Planet I! You're so smart, Captain! Igloo, iguana, ice cream! That is most definitely Planet I!
Planet I. Good job.
The sound of E means the letter I. Starts the words igloo and iguana. Oh my!
Each and every letter makes a sound you see. All of the letters
from A to Z.
Each and every letter makes a sound you see. All of the letters from A to Z. Ice cream in this weather? No thanks, Iggy. It's too cold.
Goodbye, Planet I!
On to the next planet!
Letter I. Igloo. Iguana. Ice cream.
Now it's your turn to find words that start with the letter I. Give it a try. See you next time!
Bye-bye!
Napkin. Napkin. The sound of N means the letter N. Napkin. Can you say it out loud? Good job!
Letters from A to Z.
Ooh.
Wow, space. Hey, what's that? Captain Giggs, look!
Planet approaching. Planet approaching.
Where? What? What is it, First Mate Hugg? Activate ship monitor, Alphabetti.
Activating monitor.
What planet is that, Captain Giggs?
I'm not sure, First Mate Hugg. Let's take a closer look. Crew, prepare for landing.
Roger, Captain Giggs. A nest! I wonder what kind of bird lives here.
Let's keep exploring, First Mate Hugg. Maybe we'll find out.
Ooh. Noodles! Yum! Can we eat them, huh, Captain? Can we?
Nest, noodles. What planet could this be? Oh, First Mate Hugg, we have to clean you up now.
Hey! A napkin! Ta-da!
Napkin, I know. A nest, noodles, a napkin. Yeah, that's N all right.
Planet N! You're so smart, Captain Giggs. Nest, noodles, napkin. That's Planet N for sure.
Planet N. Good job.
The sound of na means the letter N. It starts the word noodles. Let's have oodles and oodles.
Each and every letter makes a sound you see.
All of the letters from A to Z. Each and every letter makes a sound you see. All of the letters from A to Z.
Look up, First Mate Hugg. I think we found who lives in the nest.
Hi, little fellas. Whoop. Bye, little fellas.
Goodbye, Planet N. On to our next planet.
Letter N. Letter N. Nest, noodles, napkin.
Hey kids, can you find more words that start with the letter N? It's your turn now. See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Spoon. S. Spoon. The sound of s means the letter S. S. Spoon. Can you say it out loud? Good job!
Letters from A to Z.
Ooh. Wowee. I'm in space. Whoa! Did you see that? Captain Giggs, look!
Incoming planet. Incoming planet.
Where? Show me what you saw, First Mate Hugg. Activate ship monitor, Alphabetti.
Activating monitor.
Do you know what planet this is, Captain Giggs?
I'm not sure, First Mate Hugg. We need a closer look. Crew, prepare for landing.
Aha!
Ooh.
Roger, Captain Giggs. Oh. Ooh. Ooh, what's that? A spaceship! It's so much bigger than ours. Can we get a bigger spaceship, Captain?
Bigger isn't always better, my dear First Mate Hugg. Now come on, let's keep on exploring.
Ouch! A spoon! I'm sure I can eat something with it.
Spaceship, spoon. What planet could this be?
Hey, squirrel! Do you live here?
Squirrel. I know. A spaceship, a spoon, a squirrel. Yeah, that's S for sure.
Planet S! You're so smart, Captain Giggs. Spaceship, spoon, squirrel. That's Planet S. Yes, sirree.
Planet S. Good job.
The sound of S means the letter S. It starts the word squirrel in space. Oh, yes.
Each and every letter makes a sound you see. All of the letters from A to Z. S! S! Each and every letter makes a sound you see. All of the letters from A to Z. I'm sorry, little squirrel. You can't come to space with us. Oh.
Goodbye, Planet S.
On to our next mission.
Letter S. Letter S. Spaceship. Spoon. Squirrel.
Hey kids, do you know more words that start with the letter S? Give it a try. See you next time.
Bye-bye.
J, jar, jar. The sound of J means the letter J. J, jar. Can you say it out loud? Good job.
Letters from A to Z.
Wow, space. Hey, what's that? Captain Giggs, look.
Planet approaching. Planet approaching.
Where? What? What is it, First Mate Hugg? Activate ship monitor, Alphabetti.
Activating monitor.
What planet is that, Captain Giggs?
I'm not sure, First Mate Hugg. Let's take a closer look. Crew, prepare for landing.
Roger, Captain Giggs. Whoa. 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 A jacket! Awesome! Can I try it on, Captain Giggs?
A baby couldn't try it on, First Mate Hugg. It's too small. Let's do some more exploring.
A jaguar! It's gonna lick me? Stop, it tickles!
Jacket, jaguar. What planet could this be?
Oh, you want us to follow you? Come on, Captain Giggs.
A jar of jam. I know. A jacket, a jaguar, a jar. Yeah, that's J, all right.
Planet J. You're so smart, Captain. Jacket, jaguar, jar. That sounds J-OK.
Planet J. Good job.
The sound of J means the letter J. It starts the words jar and jaguar, yay!
Each and every letter sound you see. All of the letters from A to Z. J. Each and every letter makes a sound you see. All of the letters from A to Z. The jaguar ate the jam in the jar. Lucky jaguar.
Goodbye, Letter J.
Onward, let's spread it.
Letter J, jacket, jaguar, jar.
Hey kids, can you find more words that start with the letter J? It's your turn now. See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Ooh.
Oven. Oven. The sound of means the letter O. Oven. Can you say it out loud? Good job!
Letters from A to Z.
Ooh.
Ooh. Wowee. I'm in space. Did you see that? Captain Giggs, look!
Incoming planet, incoming planet.
Where? Show me what you saw, First Mate Hugg. Activate ship monitor, Alphabetti.
Activating monitor.
Do you know what planet this is, Captain Giggs?
I'm not sure, First Mate Hugg. We need a closer look. Crew, prepare for landing.
Roger, Captain Giggs. Oh. Ooh, what's that? An onion. I'm crying, and I'm not even sad.
Onions make our eyes tear up, First Mate Hugg.
Oh.
Now come on, let's keep on exploring.
Ooh, an oven. Let's bake something yummy for the ship, Captain.
Onion, oven. What planet could this be?
Peekaboo, who are you? Oh,
Ostrich. I know. An onion, an oven, an ostrich. Yeah, that's O for sure.
Planet O. You're so smart, Captain Giggs. Onion, oven, ostrich. That's Planet O, right?
Planet O. Good job.
The sound of O means the letter O. It starts the word ostrich. Hugg told me so.
Each and every letter makes a sound you see. All of the letters from A to Z. Oh! Each and every letter makes a sound you see. All of the letters from A to Z. Whoop. Hey, Miss Ostrich, do you want to see space with us? Is that a no?
Goodbye, Planet O.
On to our next mission.
Letter O, onion, oven, ostrich.
Hey kids, do you know more words that start with the letter O? Give it a try. See you next time.
Bye-bye.
All of the letters from A to Z.
Galaxy. Subscribe now.